Picture this. You're standing at the helm of your organization, ready to implement a major change. You've got the strategy mapped out, the resources allocated, and the timeline set. But something's missing, something that could make or break your success. That missing piece? A compelling culture change master story. Hey there, change leaders and culture enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into why crafting a powerful master story isn't just another box to tick. It's the heartbeat of successful organizational transformation. You see, humans are hardwired for stories. Since the dawn of civilization, we've used narratives to make sense of our world, share knowledge, and inspire action. In the corporate world, this fundamental truth remains unchanged. Let me share 3 compelling reasons why your culture change needs a master story. First, connection and context. A well-crafted master story connects the dots between your organization's past, present, and future. It's not just about what's changing, it's about why the change matters. When employees understand their role in this larger narrative, they're more likely to embrace the transformation rather than resist it. Second, emotional resonance numbers and strategies might convince the mind, but stories move the heart. Your master story should tap into authentic emotions, hope, pride, ambition, even healthy dissatisfaction with the status quo. When people feel emotionally invested in the change journey, they become active participants rather than passive observers. Third, clarity and alignment. A master story serves as your North Star, ensuring everyone understands not just where you're going, but why each step matters. It creates a shared language and vision that unifies teams across departments, levels, and locations. Think of it as the golden thread that weaves through every conversation, decision, and milestone in your change journey. Let me share a quick example. A healthcare organization I worked with was struggling with digital transformation until they crafted a powerful master story. They focused on how technology would give medical staff more time with patients and improve care quality. This simple yet compelling narrative transformed resistance into enthusiasm, making their change initiative 3 times more successful than previous attempts. Now, let's talk about crafting your master story. Remember these key elements. Authenticity. Your story must ring true. Don't sugarcoat challenges or oversell benefits. Relevance. Connect your narrative to real workplace experiences and challenges. Vision. Paint a vivid picture of the desired future state that inspires and motivates. Action. Include clear calls to action that empower people to participate in the change. Legacy. Consider how your story will be remembered and retold by future generations of your organization. But here's the critical part. Your master story isn't a one-and-done document. It should evolve as your organization learns and grows. Think of it as a living narrative that gets richer and more meaningful with each chapter of your transformation journey. I've seen organizations struggle with change initiatives that looked perfect on paper but failed to capture hearts and minds. The difference between success and failure often comes down to the power of the story they tell and how well they tell it. Remember, culture change isn't just about new processes or structures. It's about people choosing to think, feel, and act differently. Your master story is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this thought. Every great transformation in history began with a compelling story. What story will you tell to inspire your organization's next chapter? If you found this video helpful in your change leadership journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to GEM for more insights on organizational transformation. Share this video with fellow change leaders who might benefit from crafting their own master story. Together, we can create positive change, one story at a time.